not dumb enough to put them on me.
You're insulting him. You're not insulting me.
Yeah, hey, a kitty.
I asked him to find the key, and he was like, okay, I got the key, man. So I was like, okay. Oh shit. Oh shit.
That's the first time Bobby's on his knees.
No, spread him. No, spread him. That's what she said. No, you're not doing that. I'm not. Dude, I can't spread my hands like that. I'm talking about like this. It's gonna hurt my wrist. On the ground. You're on the ground like this. Dude, you're gonna fucking miss. And no, I'm not. No. Well,
what are you gonna do? The same thing with his dad comes?
No, what my dad's gonna do. This is what my dad's gonna do. I know. Yeah, but your dad knows more. I can't. He's a skilled man. He's not a skilled man. He's an idiot. We're 15-year-olds. He's an idiot.
I'm 15 and a half.
He's just as dumb as I am.
No. There's outside.
It's very pretty.
Yeah, not really.
Police? No. Police? No. I got fucking fake handcuffs at the same size as this. At home.
Yeah, but those ones are fake and you can just push a
If
little
I
button and make them off.
was gonna get locked up. I had no key. Hey, you're laughing too. I'm not laughing. You're like, I'm laughing at my own.
It's funny.
I'll let you on fire. I'll let you on fire. No. Fire! Fire versus sledgehammer.
Sledgehammer wins. Oh, well, I think sledgehammer would win.
Oh. Fire.
Me, make fire. Me, make fire.
Alright, you just like shit, man. Alright.
Well, then,
I gotta get you fucking better break my wrist.
Wait, I have a question.
Like that.
Like, if you do that, though, how's he gonna get these off?
Wrist, man.
That's what she said.
You broke the fucking chair. Ooh, I gotta do it on wood. Why? I don't know. Can you get a piece of gum and put it in my mouth, please? John!
I'll do it.
Get a piece of gum and put it in my mouth.
I'm not reaching in your pocket. You reach in his
I
pocket.
can't reach in my pocket. These things aren't so damn tight. Yay. So that's why I feel like I'm never going to touch those things again. No. No. Take it up. No.
Can I have a piece?
No.
Just take like the whole...
Fine. I'll just spit that mushy gum that I have in my mouth.
Spider-Man. You can't block it.
Okay, fine.
Nice kick. Hey, this is funny because you can't block it.
Shut up!
That's one way to block
That's right, son.
That was a horrible throw.
Well, I'm in handcuffs. What do you expect?